Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word working. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I am currently working on a project that is due next week. Working in the sentence refers to actively performing tasks or responsibilities in order to achieve a goal or complete a project. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.